Hi, this is size 10 barbless hook, and thread I'm using is rusty brown 8 or add some wax on your thread. This is a rather large fly, and this is why I'm using a large hook for the demonstration purpose. You can use 12, whatever size you want to use. This is for the tail I'm using is a hen center tail fiber. So I'm just taking a few off. You can use mallard, and it's entirely up to you, bronze mallard or just level the tips. And these ones I like because it sits really nicely. That's fine. And also going to be adding a gold rib for the body. So just catch this and touch and turn towards the eye. Just take this extra off. Open your thread and then come back towards the tail. Open your thread again, add some wax on it. And for the dubbing, this is my soft dubbing. Earlier I uploaded a video. You can watch this dubbing how to make this one. It's got UV in it. It's just a rabbit haze here, the softer part of the face. So I'm just going to take some off and apply gently. It's a really nice dubbing for even dry fly. So a little bit more. That's fine. Bring your rib, sorry. Secure these nicely. That's fine. Take the waist piece off. Open your thread again. Just gonna unwind to catch all these extra fiber. Just a little bit neat head we need. That's fine. Now, if you want to release a little bit of the dubbing, it's entirely up to you. And for the Hackle is brown partridge. As you can see, I have created this little point to catch this fiber, and then pull it back, and then get this use your scissor That's fine. Hackle plier, if you can use your hand, it's fine. Some small feathers are difficult to wind, so now here you can use like a couple of turn or more, it's entirely up to you. Me personally like my flies a bit hackly, so let's just secure this nicely, and then okay, for the wings I'm using hen secondary feather, which I don't have a primary one, so I like these color or darker color. So all I'll do is just run my scissor through to split them, and the same for the second one. And put them together. This is a wet fly, so as you can see they should be put together like this. Okay, and then you put them like this. That's the darker side on the top, so body length. Put them very close to the hook and pinch, and then run it down a couple of times, and then you can check them. That looks alright to me. And I'll just take this extra piece off and form the head. It's a little large head they have, so and then we finish. That's fine. That's the tail. I'm just gonna see if everything looks okay. Then I can work with the body and wings after. And next step would be is your varnish. So there we have March brown. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching.